Hey guys, my name is Marlo from out of Las Vegas. Today I'm going to share with you a war story and I'm going to teach you on how to get rid of flies with the Coke bottle. So this is a hack that I learned in the military. One time I was deployed in Iraq and just imagine you're in wartime. You're dodging suicide bombers, you're dodging bullets, you're dodging mortars, and all you want to do is just eat your food and be comfortable, right? So you got flies all over the place. I mean, at every given time, believe it or not, you got flies on you at all times, even when you eat, and it's the most irritating thing. So once upon a time, I came upon this invention. I didn't invent it. I'm sure another troop had invented it, but I thought it was the best invention. So simply what you do is you grab a Coke bottle and you're going to empty all the contents out of this Coke bottle, okay? And then what you're going to do, just be careful, wear gloves. And what you're going to do is get like a razor or a knife and you're going to puncture a hole and you're going to cut it all along the line here. Just like how you see in this bottle here. All right, we're going to cut it. Be as straight as possible and then you're going to turn it upside down. And what that does, and also what you're also going to do, let me show you. Oops. You're going to pour a little bit of Coca-Cola inside because flies like Coca-Cola. That's all you need. And you're going to take the top of your Coke bottle. You're going to turn it upside down. And you're going to, obviously, you're trying to get rid of the flies in your house. So you give it 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I promise you, you will get rid of that fly. That fly is going to go inside your bottle here. And it's not going to be able to get out. You know, you don't even have to squash it. You don't even have to kill it. You can even release it back into nature. But I'm sharing this hack with you. I think it's the best hack on the internet. So guys, and just like that, we caught the fly in the Coca-Cola bottle. It cannot get out.